Hey guys, just doing a short video on the Kizer Drop Bear Fix 7. Um, a viewer asked me to take off the scales to look underneath, and that's what what it looks like underneath. So it's been hollowed out here for weight reduction. It is 5mm thick AEBL steel. It's 6mm here by memory. Let me just double check that. Yeah, 6.3 and also 7mm. So 6.3 there, and 7mm there and there. And the scales are also hollowed out as well. So yeah, that's a short video. It's an awesome knife, good for battening on wood and hunting and camping. I gave mine a nice 20-degree edge. And yeah, she works awesome. I also gave it a nice 90-degree spine for striking a ferro rod. So yeah, alright. Feel free to subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Any questions, just leave them in the comments. And I will catch you on the next video.